we are heading to Napoli. We're here in Napoli, but Naples. But we're going to the city. This is the outfit. All in H&M. Oh, back. Yes, we're going to the city of Naples, Napoli. For today, we're going to get pizza in Naples, Italy. It's pretty gloomy here. The dock is just right next to the city, which is great because everything is in here already. Nothing much to do, not like in Rome when you have to take 1 hour train. Everything is walkable unless you wanted to be on top of that mountain, which there's a castle, not a castle, a cathedral, I don't know, but everything is accessible now by walking. So there's this beautiful street that I can see from here, so we're heading there, and a fountain. So what I have just noticed here in Italy, everything is noisy with the horn. They love pressing the horn, as you can see. It's noisy here. It's busy. It's a busy city. It's a busy country. Everything is in a hurry. But it's so beautiful out here. My favorite place already was Rome, Italy. But now we're here at Naples. Mukhang may bayad tapos here is the castle. See? Ang ingay talaga dito. Ganda talaga ng mga building dito. Kakaiba. Busy street of Napoli. Kailangan natin yung susubukan ko ang aking ganda. Here in Italy, ang taba ko. Here in Italy, eating eating pizza. This is my view. Yay! Kain tayo. This is ilan to? This is 3 euro. Ayun, bumili ako ng Pepsi Cola for 1.50 euros. Ang mura dito sa ang mura ng euro kasi Denmark.